If you're trying to come up with an idea for a birthday party, Under the Sea Birthday Party is a great theme to choose from. So, what do you need for an Under the Sea birthday party? Things you will need for an Under the Sea birthday party. There are many great elements you can include, from mermaids to sharks. Not only do you need some great decorations, but you also need some amazing desserts that fit the theme, as well as a fitting color palette and activities. Color palette. For your silverware, tablecloths, napkins, plates, and backgrounds, you want to stick with a color palette. The right color palette can really tie the theme together. When choosing colors for your Under the Sea party, stick with shades of blue, green, and coral, then add some pops of yellow, red, and orange. Under the Sea decorations. You'll be sure to want to include lots of fish decorations, like balloons, wall decorations, and centerpieces. For a true Under the Sea experience, tape swirled party streamers to the wall to make it look like seaweed. Attach some ribbon to paper lanterns to make them look like an octopus. Fill some empty vases, or even fish bowls, with sand and seashells. Activities for an Under the Sea birthday party. No birthday party is complete without some fun activities. There are many great games and crafts you can do at an Under the Sea party. 1. Instead of playing pin the tail on the donkey, you can play pin the tail on the whale. 2. Fill up a kiddie pool with sand outside and allow the kids to search for hidden treasures. 3. Let the kids decorate picture frames with fish foam stickers and seashells, so they can then put their favorite photo from the party in it. Dessert. Dessert is one of the most important aspects of any party. For making a birthday cake, a cake decorated in seafoam frosting will fit beautifully into the theme. Baking cookies shaped like fish is an adorable way to recreate a school of fish. Homemade Rice Krispie treats can easily be shaped to make different sea creatures like starfish and mermaid tails. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.